Hello there, welcome everybody. My name is Diorama Don, and this is the second part of a video that I made. I made the barn area in the last video, and I've put the house next door to it. I'll just move my array of vehicles, and that's the house next door that I made, the timber framed house. So this video will cover how I made the house and the diorama base, I suppose, really, with the broken brick wall there. The whole point was so that I could show off my two tigers and half track. So that's the whole idea of the diorama. You can hardly see the house or barn at the back there, but okay, so let's get on with this video, and I'll show you how I went about making the house. So we've got the barn from the last video, and I wanted a timber building next door to it. So I've made a very simple building, 2mm cardboard again, braced in the back like so, or a floor to the house. When the roof is on, that will make it even more sturdy, but it's sturdy enough as it is, and that will sit next door like that, just sitting proud of the barn. What I've done is I've cut the windows out, 2 windows, but I've just cut holes here so that I can put my rotting wood or rotting timbers, and you can see through into the house. So it's the same principle, or just ordinary cardboard, and then scoring with a sharp knife, following the length of the cardboard, but then cutting at a slight angle both ways, and that will lift up the surface of the card to give the impression of rotting timbers like that. I think it's a pretty good impression of those timbers. So we've got a window there, door there. There'll be a great big hole there, rotting wood there and there. So you see I've done the top part. So I'll carry on. We've got 2 supporting thicker timbers going across, but I'll carry on putting the timbers in the middle and the bottom, and paint it a grey. Then that should be it. That's all I need. Then I'll put it on a diorama base. We'll put something in the front here for the tank and whatever is going to be in the front, and that will be it. So a nice easy project for part 2. So I'll carry on, put on my rotting wood, and we'll see what it looks like. So I've finished the house off, continued putting the gnarled pieces of card on the front there, and you can see where it looks a very old and decrepit and weathered old house next door to my barn. Tin roof, usual thing, corrugated card, sprayed silver, and then a rust coloured paint on the top. Could do with a little bit more dry brushing a bit on the top there. But the front I just sprayed with a black aerosol spray from a distance, so it's just a light covering of black, and then white dry brushing, and then it gives the impression of very old rotting timbers. So there's the barn and the house. So now we need a diorama base for it, which is going to be quite big because I want 2 vehicles on it. So there's the base, 2 pieces of polystyrene, or 2 pieces of 1/2 inch polystyrene stuck together. 2mm card on the top and a border all the way around. So now we've got our buildings and our front of the well, the farm area, I suppose. There'll be a brick wall down the side here with a tank going over the wall. So I'll put a base of wall filler over the entire diorama base there, and paint that to, I don't know, whatever colour earth is. And okay, yeah, so I'll do that, come back and we'll see what it looks like. So finished the whole thing off now. We've got some ground cover there and a broken brick wall here with a bit of grass scattered around. I put a white background in so you can see through the broken house or whatever it is. I can't get any closer than that. So the whole, there we go. The whole point of the exercise was so that I could show off pretty much everything I've got, which is the 2 Tiger tanks and my now famous half track. So that's what it looks like in its entirety. The tank going over the brick wall there, that could go over at a better angle. So something like that. So although you can't see the barn or the house now, it's at the back there somewhere. But that's the ultimate diorama, I think. It's the biggest I've made, and it lets me display all that I have. So in fact, all you see there, well, let me take this away. All you see there is everything made from 2mm cardboard. The tanks, the base, the house, the barn, the brick wall, everything apart from polystyrene in the base of the diorama, everything is 2mm cardboard. So there we are. One completed. This is a Tamiya kit I did a long time ago, as you can tell. And I'm not very good at painting figures. So, okay, there we are, all done. Thank you for watching this video. I thought I'd make this one a little shorter because the last one was way too long. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Click that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. If you do anything very similar with the house or the barn, let me know. Let me know how you get on. In the meantime, I wish you happy modelling.